In this video, we'll cover how to add and remove elements from an array using methods like push, pop, shift, and more. So let's dive in. Before we start, let's quickly review what an array is. An array is like a list that can store multiple values in a single variable. For example, you can have a list of fruits like this. Const fruits equal to apple, banana, and cherry. Now let's see how we can add or remove elements from this list. The push method allows us to add an element at the end of the array. Here's an example. Fruits.push orange. Now let's log the array, the console log fruits, and then run the program. And you'll see that orange is now the last item of the array instead of cherry. Now let's see how we can remove the last element from the list. To do that, we need to use the pop method. So const removed fruit is equal to fruits.pop. And then we can also print the removed fruit and the entire array. And you'll see that we added orange, then we printed the removed item, and now we have the initial array once again. So the pop method not only removes the item, but also stores the removed item into a variable so that you can use it afterwards. Now, to add an element to the beginning of the array, we can use the unshift method. So fruits.unshift of blueberry. Print the array and run the program. And you'll see blueberry, apple, banana, and cherry. So to add an item at the end of the array, you would use the push function, and to add it at the beginning of the array, you need to use the unshift function. Now to remove the first element, you need to use the shift function. So fruits.shift, and then console log fruits. And you'll see that blueberry is now removed. You can also store the removed variable like const removed fruit is equal to let's make this a let because it's a variable, not a constant. Reassign it, then we can also print the removed fruit. You can see that blueberry is now stored in the variable removed fruit.